How to add scroll on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add scroll on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open the app, now simply look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for scroll. To add scroll on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on scroll. Now tap on receipt. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive scroll coin from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add scroll to Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.